As recent leaks have shown, Samsung is developing the Galaxy Watch 6 series. While there have also been rumors and reports about the upcoming Galaxy Watch specs, there have not been any leaks surrounding its price. This is changing now, however, as a new report sheds light on the Galaxy Watch 6 lineup's French pricing. The wearables should launch at the company's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event in late July. In France, Deleuze was able to purchase the Galaxy Watch 6 at launch. With the device with 4G connection, the 40mm variant of the smartwatch might sell for €319.99 in the colors graphite and cream. You paid €369.99. The pricing of the 44mm version is €349.99, while the 4G variant is €399.99. The watch should come in silver and graphite colors. Samsung seems to have decided to bring back the classic model with its actual rotating bezel instead of releasing a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro replacement this year. According to reports, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will launch in 43mm and 47mm casings, with the smaller variant costing €419.99 and the larger 47mm variant costing €449.99 in France. You may have to pay an extra €50 on top of the listed fees for cellular access. If a rumor is true, the Galaxy Watch the 6th of May cost roughly €20 more than the Watch 5, which, considering the steep inflation rate, is not a significant price increase. The Watch 6 Classic is said to be less expensive than the Watch 5 Pro since they share the same durable body. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic might be roughly €50 less expensive at launch, however a straight translation won't be precise. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can be purchased in France for €469. The lineups for the Galaxy Watch 6 have leaked. With the annual updates, tempting launch trade and discounts, and French pricing, Samsung's next smartwatches might be an appealing upgrade for previous Galaxy Watch consumers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.